Adowa me vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo Adowa me vana agredato pata trozu bokonolo Oh mau fikole ye nu baramada yo le cho yo jo bom pomino Pola bom kakani gakemo Fikole ma we fikole ma mbe fikole ma Vicolema, Vicolema, ewe Vicolema.
Agbentina mia polo kata mado izo na mi fa mia pa indi wona ike ya jile wen bati viji di shandi ma toni magboy ya to izo na mi wona cheko man kabanto ke machumo ko kata pa mi kata ba mi gala wen bati virashi mia pa lolo ike mi da fia mi ba ochugbe ejo tina mi ala gbegbe da bana mia pa magbe da kata ke pa mi anchi la wona man to vola heba clinic le mi amio kata poto be ko nyakere nyachi akpere nyachi to kachachama mile botwe le jimfuga hostel wala fia na giji jono ba ya tere nyachi ala we nyakpere wala obludodo me akpere nyachi le kachacham fufu me na jobe nyade be pato here de unaye gere nyachi fa yakpere mu mia we akpanami abaleke mile nyabatiya la shele yo gamusuba miagere mia motivational message me mi jekoma mi kola nyara kabaro ko don se miaro kyo mi ko nyara kabaro ko tu miaro kyo that pero gazoran go be mi tun mi kola nyara joka jole mia ponto yo kenye ya jo don kyo ke le mia ponto kata mi bono katara ke mi gazoran go ba ne ya mi genare ya jo balo ma jo ke gani tutu politicians so generation be lananya mi jona mo mo jona sa le akpama so strong ngmedede ngmajuju kata we na jele nya ko na ji but that bana mi kata be mi le ba to me ji jona to yo aida Facebook fa akpomi mi le Facebook india Tony McBoy enyanko e be a check up my gym Tony McBoy le Facebook alawe nyano akame Tony McBoy yanko le Facebook kana be ado a check prima +2332426707773 enya number loka koja chika ji na to +2332426707773 enya number aloka koja shi ikaji na tem ato ano akama akle yo ke mia yire mia motivational segment papaji mia ko nkenya mia motivational message le erbaton ha me yo today's motivational message I do that in English then I do a brief interpretation. This is about the Ewenyigba TV's morning show. Tony McBoy is the one anchoring the show and I'll be doing this from now till 10. A motivational message is from Confucius. When anger rises, think of the consequences. When anger rises, think of the consequences. This was said by Confucius, a great religious leader, philosopher, thinker, and legend. in the Mongolian enclave to the present-day China, leader of thought in the class of Buddha and Confucius. When anger rises, think of the consequences. When we get angry, we say things, we do things. We can apologize for the things that we have done, and the things can be forgiven when we are angry, but they cannot be forgotten. The things we say and do out of anger, according to Confucius, we should think about them. We should think about the consequences, because I'm adding this one, because the things you say can only be forgiven, but they can't be forgotten. No one is a fool to forget easily the hazards, the wrongs, the harms, the pain you've caused them, the hurt you've caused them, just because you have apologized. And no one is stupid not to learn from the harsh words, the harsh treatments you met at them. So back again, when anger rises, think of the conflict. Anunjala gada, ikanya munola, ike haja bababea, chuma unchi ade, nunyato, ikorama Confucius, like China untome. Aglonya de kumila dadie ba ike, jibe mi asuna na chuncha koso mi abe, asone abe, ne ejikuode, utamajomo jomo, ne jikuode, utamajomo jomo. Mega choko wano mpechiku. Ano want to jikuma a hari jiputa alef apo madura mo badja mo shanga kakang shang de jipu de utama we afina na bia onana na we nke na fi emi to jikuma ni o ma ngro no bu ko chona kana na o jebe ya ejipieta apundura ma shanga bo awo mwale keje beto mi ke blomi le nyabwe doko na tem amulo amuru kwa tem achuma achoke chochoke ekwina tem akpo chochoke ekwina tem akpo gakedi o mangono na ube ta hafina ona na ta hafina ko ta hafina ona la be chochoke ekwina tem akpo no be meli mare kemeli ke ya mamunyam oh ne jako chiko na babu I'm sorry nyoro chona I'm sorry oh wanna fool sorry let jega go I'm sorry ma bromula if you ever shut up I'm sorry I go me shut up tanye konya ina go I'm sorry lega biaga buku did I apologize lega na la nyara kala shi alka je ma bromo mara ku alo tonya mejo ega bebe brenyo fu dia re kamaro na shi ntuki areko tanye mejo kabo iko gola wa choga mo be strong like me anger management be strongly me tona shi tu ya pe ji kunchi alabe mi ma ano eji namo ano ji kudo namo achobo o choga kanyu ya nena mai mi ache about wanna government. All right. Nyagare owide.com yaponka nyanya do kenya nyazo to charo chunya pontom owide.com. Yapo now banon plonga shaibe yo tola eminye e bati viai mille fishafi ikapo ko tola ole kakanya o jemiano to kom jira mi miano fa kame mi ne mo chocho na to plus 23324267077 your number malafuna ajina leader ofunji then ana job kiki ina jiba ya punchonchi le nyako noma kajonga ana mianya ko nyapa nyajojo kakalo nyajojo legi lao kagrejo pataki alawe wɔna mi tsotso mi kedzɔ ela nye nyadzɔdzɔ yo beƒã ɖeɖe yo gake ke wòle anyi o tɔ wònye be nàyɔ mi ale be miaƒudu ale be miana dua nase nyadzɔm na dzrom kple kpovitɔ megã ɖeka agbo nya ɖe na me fi ke nyadzɔdzɔ kakalawo le nyadzɔdzɔ dɔwɔlawo le nugbegble me yia dzi o abe ale yi ke fi ke kpovitɔwo le ene enyama edzodzi ŋutɔ nya ge ɖe le akusi me na mexo nya de me efi ke kamera kple fonu li klo yia ame ɖewo wɔna nu nyui nenema ke fi ke kpovitɔwo le hã ame ɖewo wɔna nuteƒe ta kpovitɔwo kple nyadzɔdzɔ kakalawo katã wohiã le dukɔ me ale gbegbe ne ame nya wo ye kpɔm wo ye lé da ɖe anyi míawo mi léna da ɖe ɖia evidence picture mi dena ɖia evidence enana be amewo mewɔna gbegblẽ ta kpovitɔe gblɔ nya ya enya sena ta mi le wɔtɔe edzifuka hostel ne va kpɔ mi aɖo kpe dzi fi ke mi le ne va ɖo dzifuka hostel ko miawoe ma le hostel la ŋkume gbadza Ewenyigba TV enye mia ŋkɔ dzi mi le TikTok dzi hã Xavier Susu Francis Xavier Susu ƒom tso TikTok ŋuti amewo dom le yewo gbɔ nyama trend ma gbegbe mi keke nyama gbɔ Francis Xavier Susu ƒom kpɔ ɖe edzɔ yi ke va zo a big trending story and we'll be looking at that ta le madzidzi mo mi gbɔna numɔ katã kpɔ ge ɖa le egba ƒe wɔna me alright mia akpɔ how we did that very quick one howwedid.com mikpɔ ge ɖa very quick nka le fuma ta nu yi ke tame nɔ mia gome ɖe menye be míawo dzi míawo míayɔ mía kakple ƒe agbegbe nenya míakpɔ se ŋkɔ nenya ne dzudzɔ kliko yɔ mi eƒe dzo edzɔ tsi ɖo mu lo eŋukawo me la lo ne ŋua nyanya gbe si nya dzɔ míawo mi le kpekple be mia aɖe gbeƒãe ta ye ma okay howwedid.com nye phone fu ɖe me ta me gbagba masi tsɔtsɔ ɖɔ ame wo ko very well okay that's fine all right that's fine me get a howwedid.com nyakpɔ Agbakope community bids farewell to beloved leader. Agbakope community bids farewell to beloved leader. Agbakope to audio where abafia ike oga kanyo bo dufia orashi dufia joe ke bai NDC blog kata le nyako ntonga on Agbakope de memirabe. Agbafito hails Mahames UN victory. Ejimanola ne NDC do le ho chisna machanto mfia to koplola bang tepe ko bawo le UN enjoy le howwedid.com empowering women whole central constituency fight breast cancer the memory akabai ha whole central to mafia o no cervical cancer be no bad odom se nyomo cervical cancer kenye fijigolo me pa di makuma ko fijigolo me makuma ko wa screening alo dudu kpɔ ɖe dzi ne nyɔnu katã le wotsitsina me tsam to me afia e ha le howwedid.com Ghana Revenue Authority revamps revenue for investment LC apa group no tata jiji mafia opum cho achaye yo ke Ghana Revenue Authority to o de dento mo sube yo ahega gle avine jiru do ya ta o papa jambe ga na vane jiru do ya alawe mi nyama o kata ko le mi o wona me egba na fuganyina adam yeye adam totu yo ke miaƒe Revenue Authority to Babajem Bayosa ato Gavi alwe Garano Jiruashi Garano Jirapa Kevin Ocho Ajaro Mofu. That's another big story today. All right. So Miaja Gomacho Yabanta Kalafuma Honorable Agbavito Mauto Agbavito Comrade Mauto Agbavito and my daughter Rukima. Aglobe Yodo Donona Achumani who Michael Agbakoba then the Baker over Nola Alobako Tufia war na Tuameto Pachakata ya Bunula Unofumale weekend Ikawai Mako Victoria Jaclo La Mike and Chief Executive na Southstone Mako Bright Ege Iganye Regional Secretary na National Democratic Congress Mako America Olefuma Le no Tatamame. The Akbakoko community is mourning the loss of Abafia Tobia Jomani the fourth to fear of Akbakoko who has left an indelible mark on the Akabe traditional area. According to Comrade Mauta Bavito, Volta Regional Chairman of the NDC, the late Toby was a true custodian of tradition whose leadership, wisdom, and dedication to his people will be deeply missed. Comrade Bavito joined family, friends, and community members to bid farewell to the departed leader, praising his contributions to the community. The event was attended by colleague executives of the Volta NDC Secretariat, highlighting the respect and admiration for the late Toby. All right, so that's it. Ajomani, Ikenya Bafia, Ikenya Horashi Dufiane, Bakuento, many are on Buja, Bakuento, so here Lafman, who saw Rafman in Jodefiana, Babajamba, at Bahawe or Rufia. Fiato, your Fiato, Afichone, Abafio, Horashi Fione, Plato, more. There's a whole of issue there. Security issue, no matter the whole leadership of the NDC was in Amakope on Saturday. All right, still on Saturday, empowering women who central and police cervical cancer fight. So, Vidigolome, when you a significant move to promote women's health. The Member of Parliament for Whole Central Constituency hosted a free cervical cancer screening event at the Ahoy Community Center on Saturday, and this event drew a large crowd of women from across the constituency. So that's another thing that happened here. LC, Ghana Revenue Authority revives tax regime to boost investment. So the Ghana Revenue Authority is reshaping the country's tax environment to support and accelerate investment. Technical advice to the Commissioner General LC Apau has announced with conviction, speaking on the GNBCC Business Breakfast meeting on the 26th of March 2026. All right, something here on Trump. Trump's Africa pivot, a shift in tone. Trump's Africa pivot, a shift in tone. U.S. President Donald Trump has praised Africa's economic potential, highlighting the continent's untapped value if countries work together. And according to CAJ News, Trump's recent remarks mark a significant shift from his controversial 2018 comments about African nations, which sparked widespread backlash and diplomatic row. All right, Trump, a trend member, Trump, Africa to call to correct me da lolo asia lo manemia no mi oreka to call Africa to call the Bukata I am go ala chomel in Africa to Kokata. But hey, my Trump Africa to call shit holes. You remember that kind of thing. So Trump is also in the news, backlashing. People are criticizing, people are talking a lot about Trump, and that's also one of the trending stuff we have today. Yo, ida Ewenyigba TVG le Facebook alove nakpo miape nyajojo yo ke nyajojo ban yo metro mile. Ne ida Ewenyigba TVG ko le miakpo ke le Facebook nyo kata metro mila. All right, we shift quickly to the front pages of the dailies and we'll find what stuff trending there. Don't kujiba at them yabaje room +233242670 773 and your number you can at them as an about +233242670 773. Mako calling Ashichalao or check out premium the Papano. Mako calling Georgie how Bogremiachi Alabe or Dobu Obama fan. Mako calling Jose Habobo Fufu be Wafa Alabe Mia Agarenyam Mia Baronchi Ela Be Gamasu be what you call now the Calabignon so that's a lot is going on here, and you're invited to partner with us. You are demanded to, you are required to partner with us, and let's do big stuff. And let's do business together. All right, Mia and you then have to man out and Yako Gabro Mamulafuma India. A lot is going on here. Okay, Yaja go my play Metro lanes, no burial, no home burials or chinhini, no home burials or chinhini. So big story called Metro lanes in here. A woman makudi diarek mai jilo chin tom or chief yaga, you know that I'm a or dini hunton to His Royal Majesty or Sajifo Amoija of Repening or Chinhini, His Royal Majesty or Sajifu Amoija Osiayo Tonton Yamalafma Boma Diamalaching Tomo. All right, 3-story school building collapses in Accra home, Newtown, 2 dead, 16 rescued, 12 trapped. 3-story school building collapses in Accra, Newtown, 2 dead, 16 rescued, 12 trapped. At Accra, Newtown, Lagos town, Accra, Newtown. Jiboho Lefuma stars, Jiboho Bere, Jiboho Nigerians over to Lefuma, Jiboho Rebum, Abasasra Fe, 3-story school building collapses. Basasra Fe, Leji, Aloton, Tokrama, ya, Basasra Tokrama, Leji, Mulo, Uhonya, Ayomua. Accra, Newtown, Amoku, O Jabada Moment Yate, I'm a weir of Ole a Hobaba, Tuma Fifila, Aje, Fifila, Mifu, Le Accra, Newtown. Accra frost again after Sunday downpour. Chinajamuda le Accra, le Gintoma. Utoya like a mouth where Chija, Koshrak, but Mana view, a child again, child who, easy. Chigaja mother there. All right. The new publisher, Apostolic Fathers back Mahama, Ghana's sex styles, not for sale. Apostolic Fathers back Mahama, Ghana's sex styles, not for sale. Magbo big story, the publisher here, Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, Yema, Jerome Blair, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams with President John Mahama, Ojara Romanyaka Bomulaka, we do Chumenya, Apostolo Gao, Bobomo Fufu, Bobomo Apostolo Chichifio Ghana, Odema Mahama, over Ghana's sex styles not for sale. I don't understand the story. Ghana's sex styles not for sale. Sex styles. You must go. All right. Suhu Yini drops bombshell. Then your producer of me said Ghana's sex styles not for sale. Goma. Fine. Maybe you can Google it and let me know. All right. Suhu Yini drops bombshell. NDC government can't avoid scandals. Suhuyini drops bombshell. NDC government can't avoid scandals. Suhuyini blonyarebe NDC jirua John Dramani Mahama NDC o jirua madam awum fiti wo manomio ashibu bula to gama manomio. What do we have here? The publisher. Okay. Baumia in London, Africa risks missing AI revolution. Hey, Baumia pour le London, le bureau kuya. Tu kopla hoto parento. Former Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Baumia no matalafia Hong Kong. Va pour le London, Europa du cover. Even Africa, mo ponyo. Amo kokwepa achayo ko chongo won mfufo wo me le funoji. Na kasa jero. Kasa mfo amaji so amaibo. Amaibi ba so amakoko. Nyai ma global bre. Ojo no watata ko tro su go nya cha de down modern ye acha modern ye okata tofia Africa mi ponyo mi na konsa. Watchman shoots thief over fuel. Watchman shoots thief over fuel. Nyare gale fia over watchman are make le sentry le sanjon a de two fia kiara la ba ami fiwe the publisher. You go get the publisher. Navy grabs 37 sacks of weed in Sege. Hey. Sege fike sege le mian tocho go apa moji apla moji na de giafio nya blomo de Navy iganya adagba wo do le toji wo le amaro be to wi be machi von wi o to ku black to for andrade ko so mi olo le segento apa mi awodo. All right, so Bana, I just want us to know about Bana Valley. We have the new publisher. The new publisher. Afi, the Ghanaian publisher. That the Ghanaian publisher, yenya or yenya banto ekemikitaminya. Afi the new publisher of Ancho. Tamacho, the new publisher ekema koreshia boy inade the Ghanaian publisher go. Big push, big loot. Storm deepens. Big push. Big loot. Storm deepens. Minister of Roads and Highways, Kwame Gavas Abuja, Tatak Jamaban, out there, Blagada. Over big push. ÄDI WƆNA Ga. Big loot. Duga Fifi Ga. Storm deepens. Abumuya Ga the border. Me to Gaga, Biologa Gaga. Storm deepens. Governs Abuja Minister for Roads and Highways is here at the front page. Go get the publisher. You know what the big push, the big loots, and the big storm is about. Africa risks missing out on AI revolution. Baumia, Barao Titina Blagada, Yema Mipopong. Dr. Mahamudu Baumia Elefia Goblomcho Africa, Miamina Consamuri. Me Gamocho, Amocho Funko Blademe, Amocho Funko Mosome, Amoko Funko Doyo Mommy, Amocho Funko temperature check me, Amocho Funko Senyam, Amocho Funko Strome, Fungi Kunsham Lefia Katakata Bugu, AI. More down don't kill you Kakarabia of Fumu Batia Difia, Kasajarum to Bonanovia. Saja rumpram. Yo kata. Yo cho tome. Konjo. Via donji pola rumanya moyo. Hotelo. Abajo jeparo. American Luku John that are project to my betonyo. A more pesos. Futraparo. The year making a bedogan of a way song or don't you know that do a sharp but in a do house and children. No attack to AI. But I have blommy some digitalization boss. Like I'm get an AI, but you guys say you don't know it will happen. African but we won't be silenced or cowed after you make fires warning. Miga papa you making you can minority leader this is all go to class out nola minority leader elefman. Mara ke mata ko ji to kana yo. Mara ke mata ngu ji na yo. Nyai ke yo program of manu mi. We won't be silenced or cowed. Minority leader, indefatigable minority leader. Julius Debra Mons, tomato trader, yeah. Julius Debra Mons, tomato trader, yeah. But Julius Debra pano matatalifia. Julius Debra Mons, tomato trader, yeah. Ku ika hanya tomato shicharao, tomato rakado, bula bukina masuka ba, banyak bumulifia. Chief of Staff, do maga ika home, karama leji, do bukata maglutu. Julius Debra, to popular the word, she banana the Ghanaian publisher. All right, the informer. In this issue, FSC reaffirms commitment to financial stability. FSC reaffirms commitment to financial stability. ECG upgrades Accra East power supply with 40 transformers. Accra ntoma ga cheese transformer omo blana re chokol kokbero chiplo suba jo magara chichimla eke ntomo ECG jiru do ke kona ma karinya oje utoma Baumia urges Africa to join AI. Baumia is training this money, man. Baumia Bobe Africa toriko ma me no fugban of fifia ham yo mi strongly ke wona kufia be mi aso super dan blo mo na ma ko nyo do we OSP, that's a translation I should think. OSP laments cultural erosion in Ghana's education system. Hey, OSP, Kisia Jaben Special Prosecutor. Oh, okay, SP, all right, that's fine. SP, Special Prosecutor. William Kisia Jaben, Elfia, Bob, the Kong Mafia, le Yapa Suku the door, Umbrento. Ale Kami Jimpiko. Echideke shake kenya do konka le yako supu de nyama enya mi ga tere yindo nya Africa. All right, goal for results audit, majority hates accountability upon Nkrumah. Goal for results audit, majority hates accountability upon Nkrumah. Upon Nkrumah Kenya dalaga the MPP talk attack le so takba ha Ganya make up una jo Ganya on si boblombe aduka blole an ton blon chi mo yo ke bona mi shika yo ke la mana mi shika ke mana duko yo ke o ta jira na ko suba o ku ga ko pere nyanu na mu fa tu mi parakli wa konta mana enye bo bo sento duko ya wa do ga ke bona yo shika ble e bo ashi chacha na o je mu ko na mi konta you guys don't want to give account, man. According to Kojo Opon, CATS calls for state funding of viable CSOs. CATS calls for state funding of viable CSO. Apia Kusi Adomako, lawyer de Lefia, and calling Apia Kusi Adomako, a Bablomba Jidudu, Polik. Onega, the Oparo Kupadon of Panajiranchi. All right, the new proceeding guide. Bamia urges Africa to strengthen foundations to compete in AI era. This is a good call. It's going good. Bamia urges Africa to strengthen foundations to compete in AI era. Bamia Lefia. Bamia Bamia is talking, Bamia they talk, Bamia is talking. You guys embrace AI, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, robotics. Use your brains in Africa. Yeah, Bamia all the way. All right. Obong Nkrumah presses majority over gold board probe transparency. Obong Nkrumah Galifia. Obong Nkrumah declare Instituto Yokale, South Africa, the Banu. Okay, about global global like chiru do ke kona shikashi pa shi chachara kana yo to me ye ama ko konayo ayo Paul Apreku Shum Berima call to the bar joins Ghana's legal profession. Paul Aprekuchum, Berima, you know, Telefia. Yeah, also, Sanyalaka, congratulations. CARDS calls for state funding for viable CSO, and former Seshi, Akontombra MB calls for all big push pro. MB ne Seshi, Akontombra to, our bomber, Yojibu, big push. A modudo, God, Glaja, your molo, Moroboka, Dumule, three, Gotayo, Chibuade, one, bridge your Katamu, Kata, Yojibe or Saranum. A doyo chona mo, Miron Pia, Dogo chona monia, American Gumu, to make me Rahoto, Doyo Kale, Amaku Horo, Shi, Gabono Gai, Chiplato, Edima Mamma Kona, you Makawe, Lihu. The open Munya, that Duahi, or that Oshina, Makawe, to make Biba Hoto, Binamianya. Former senior SHCMB stand accused. The attacking family members with military officers over land of, if you're a former SHC, State Housing Corporation or company, I think she's now a company. Former State Housing Company MD stands accused of attacking family members with military officers over land of Ifiamai. Efia umeto panibara yiga dong nolagana jiruba dobe kona jiruba ho tutu play high na tumisio chi lavia oba dong nolagana state housing company etu bataba wa onyale fumo yoga panibara if you're out why would you do that? Bring him to book. Standing tall against falsehoods, the truth of DSP Alhaji Baba Abdul Jalil. Standing tall against falsehoods, the truth of DSP Alhaji Baba Abdul Jalil. All right, that's the crusading guy. Hey, crusading guy. All right, the custodian. We got a custodian, man. Bowie outlines 6-point policies to make Africa global AI leader. Hey, Bamia, nyam adamoma gana the tamana. You gonna Africa, you got the wokata zonrijiko. Being gonna get hikakata, le modam view. How you are choking. Africa, mobile, yes. Me all the way. All right, that's fine. Go get a custodian. Goal for reserves probe will happen in future. Gold for reserves probe will happen in future upon Nkrumah tells majority. Nkrumah upon Nkrumah, Boblone, DC Togata, the South Akbar, very below. Milo o mimelo o mi akonta nagede alege mi tuko shika ugo pashi chame ble yo chika unchi dome. You will be probed in the future. Gulf Reserves probe will happen in the future. Kojo upon Nkrumah. NDC caught in sole sourced road contract deals spent to fix a road built at 23 million euros in 2016. NDC caught in sole source road contracts, 63 million euros being spent to fix a road built at 23 million in 2016. Hey! Nyaka groma money. Over NDC dog bana uta bana nyaganto iko kakara bana kataji custodian. Governors Abuja no tata. Bele Suleiman Brahma, Executive Director na MFW in a Media Foundation for West Africa. Media Foundation for West Africa. Le Je peux tout kata me beaucoup faire nyanyo kaka po habobo non la Suleiman Brahma Kuplom. More you go to 23 million euro. Koto the 2016 match, we have 63 million euros. Zambe or Kobu Watamo. I shake my head. 63 million euro being spent to fix a road built at 23 million in 2016. I shake my head. Moika Wocho 23 million euro contour the 2016 man was 63 million euros called example. This is an allegation. It is alleged by Bryman. I just respect Bryman. Suleiman Bryman. I just respect the guy. Yes. So I assume you know what they're talking about. Governs Abuja and Abulempe. Answer to this guy quickly. Do le mo chrango alodo kubo keken. Amoro nye mo reke de abureke na to bureke nji. La kasam. Omo nye yo omba na bo to no nchia. Is that what it is? Alo gatifi mo de kowonye azangonye womchi duala. We are interested in interrogating this issue when it's 8 o'clock. Julius Debra mourns Burkina Bay terrorist victim Constance Nyaku. Julius Debra from Fairplay discipline Garo Lefia. Abo Majisha Mara. Okay, Mabo Julius Debra Lefia. Julius Debra Kongo Matango Jishi Lefia. Constance Nyaku. Ike Bagba Donchi. I'm a block over a jobly umona. Ike Ghana, Yombiaro, Odo Kanya, Constance. What would there were? All right, the Ghanaian point. The Ghanaian point. The Ghanaian point. Bamia calls for strategic investment to make Africa a global AI power. Bamia Kero, Bamia they train this money. All right, NBC must honor commitment to end source road contracts. Bravo Sabaji. Bravo Sabaji is campaign manager, campaign coordinator. Bamia le akwa imida iba imea bumashia Mama NBC tole tochona mo le pongo me. But you watch you dona mo le kakaba na shama na apliko pomme ke ching tetele. Pero to abanya Abraham Bruno Nofia Bruno Foli. Ke danyang ne nyapa ya chichina ma cha to mo so ta pa no la ja ba ba ne nyako. Sama agent mini kaka. I'm not convinced. All right. So Miracle Sabaji stop sole source contract. Okuje to apply ga kuncho sole source contracts in share but anything sole source is criminal. My video ma program say stop it. Stop it. There's nothing urgent about it. Stop it. A hoida plaumo la mako 1992 John Rollins do moment. 1992 JJ Rollins do mocho hoida plau. Amo mazu mo quickly back man le fma kaka. Kufoba Maruero. Millsva Maruero. Mahama Wanva Maruero. Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo Ado declare year of roads. Aka moeka connect. Aflau cover who Alomiano Vitogo, Tau cover Nyap Amgang Tuamabe to Oduya Manawafia. They didn't touch it. 8 good years. So how urgent has it become? 1992 to date. So please, we don't want you in that. We got said that I'm gonna choke up the lamp surround yashi to one. Don't try to. Yo. No You may kiss the bride. Apostolic Church bans wedding ritual. You may kiss the bride. You may kiss the bride. Apostle Samuel Kojo Ami na ikenye munola gane apostolic hame. Apostolic munonani koya go fanta na na. But black mu wachi ma go bari he. Ndo kubone am strong ike ya chi le strong de yo who was strong de come we dem you na wedding. But that the no apostolic church. You don't kiss your bride anymore. You may kiss your bride in church no more. Because I will kiss on the I will kiss on the I will kiss on the bugaga. Maybe I'm a blood church. Apostle the elders of the apostolic church in Ghana have assessed the situation. Don't bring promiscuity to church. No more you may kiss the bride. Stop that. All right. Kweku Business Forum petition to create Ghana's next generation of billionaires. Kweku Business Forum. Kweku top ashicha habobo fisia Ghana tukokata bobo na chababa albe wana Ghana fiona zu kesino tokpo I'm telling you, the point in the Ghanaian point. Yeah, the Ghanaian point. The Ghanaian point. Yeah, that's where I am. Lance Ministry announces 100,000 CD tender for Damai mine list. 100 Ministry, Lance Ministry announces 100,000 CDs tender for Damai mine list. Let's say, wow. Last minute you don't get on back 100K. What kind of small money is that? All right, let's leave that. Maybe I did the point. Okay, Metro Lens. No home areas or chain in your chief yaga galapia. Map 7 Padiman Korea. Daddy Lumbari or Pumbleto, you better stop that. Mikakoma where Chinto Mikakuva Muganto, you follow rules. 3-story school building collapses in Accra, Newtown, 2 deaths sustained. Am I repeating this? Accra Frost again. Am I repeating this? Metro Lines got trouble. Am I repeating something? Okay, Metro Lines in Chi. May I get the source? The source. CI Gaba 1 billion CD fund launch. Hey, CI Gaba 1 billion CD fund launch. Gold board pro block troubling Nkrumah to majority. Gold board pro block troubling Nkrumah to majority. Padikaba no tata pomlafia magbo kojo pon Nkrumah ebom edore Yapa majority leader, you can call him Ayariga, Mahama Ayariga Bo. Abamio, Nabian Michole, good body, but on Ghana, Jimmy, Bagaja, me, Gajo, Yanchura, and Yada Funai, to our Jennifer. Baumia to Africa, embrace artificial intelligence now. Baumia is still here. Big push contracts awarded deliberately. Kwame Prempeh, big push contract awarded deliberately. Kwame Prempeh Nyarakmafia Jirunye Mioko Dochona Nyemita or Dochona Monamaro. So don't worry, or I don't know for you. Daily graphic. Africa's AI policy response must be borderless. Africa's policy response must be borderless. Hey, ayo quicken Bogoso Christian mind redevelopment chiefs. Quicken Bogoso Christian mind redevelopment chiefs. If you're a Bogoso Christian Tom, you were Bakoshi Kufa, Tom Koshi Kufa, you know that Juran Cabanto, don't I? Bamia Global Africa Catapu, the Jamia or a car, and you could put me a more cockwe, more than we are. 73 billion sole source road contracts under fire. governs Abuja Lafia. I just hope that Abuja is doing the right thing. I just hope that there's nothing wrong. Delegate Mamilaro, I just hope that everything is fine. 73 billion city sole source contracts under fire. Bapa Gojaron Tatalafia. Abuja, 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 Abuja. We hope that you are doing the right thing. The governor Jirua Tro. Remember 2000 and the ambulance trial? Remember one to me? Akunta mining mess? Remember Irubuahin? National Signals Bureau? Whatever has a beginning has an end. Abuja, just do the right thing. We hope that all these things are allegations and they are baseless. Nyanya mokoko kwenye hose kwenye benya kata blomo le bla Abuja ono matata adi jemani magani nyata. Akabuja na le mama. Yo. Sunday floods displaced Accra residents. Echijala again. Amo Tongo. Gotaogayo, Ayabuga, Jimle, Doma. Over 30 trapped in Newtown building collapse. I'm a blaton, I'm a blaton, over home, Gakamu, Mukula, Ora road away. Blaton, I'm a blaton, Fisher, and Mukia, our yes, we, our Lahabar, Ola, Newtown, if you like. All right. Yeah, the daily graphic, the big daily graphic. Omni BSIC delivers 104% profit, assets, deposits double in 2025. Omni BSIC delivers 104% profit, assets, deposits double in 2025. Parikele via Daniel Sheru, ikenye domagane Omni BCSIC, Omni Bank, double domagale via. Over Yoko Galo, Yoko Ga, where man like Bugber. Yoko Gajiji, ne million of Faraka, yo bola bebema, if you have million of Faraka, and so on. Yoko Kishongo, Uchaji, Akulafe. About Taika Mucharo, Yokoha, a Jackaklafe. Hey, yo, I don't know what I mean. Customs AI racks in millions a day. Customs AI racks in millions a day. Why do we always have telegraphic truncated? Customs AI rakes in millions a day. I just assume it's rakes in. Revenue projected to increase with full rollout. Okay, so let me just do a little bit of the story. The government has fully rolled out a new customs classification and valuation system at its ports of entry that has so far proved to be revenue saver for the state. Who is talking? Thomas Nyako Amping, Deputy Minister of Finance. All right. That be the Kwame to don't get a Monaga, Geo, Quarantum of Manyako Amping, Global Custom Toga to AI, artificial intelligence, or than don't be Yaroga Cove, Anya view, Gaima, you Bonko, at your gal taxis, le boo, Babang, Blegate, among Thomas, Yamping, and you are two for smoke, but all right. We end with the Chronicle. Catholic bishops rally behind Mahama. Chronicle, well, Catholico, no longer down, Mahama, but me Diana, Gold for reserves probe will be pursued in the future. Gold for reserves probe will be pursued in the future. Kojo Nkrumah is also trending good. Today, first person in the trend, Baobia, second person in the trend, Abuja, third person in the trend, Kojo Nkrumah. Glomba, Jiru, Doba, Shikanya, Yoka, Magoma, Yoma Sasamo. Yobono Rancho, Gomoyancho, me, Chiruga, when you see me, Chiruga, where you would talk 2 hours. Africa can't afford to miss out on the AI revolution, but Bama is just training AI, AI technician. No bed syndrome is a direct result of the destruction of LHIMS. No bed syndrome is a direct result of the destruction of NHIMS. Dr. Ikua Mwaku, my deputy spokesperson. for Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. Bamia Nyandelo Beremto Emalefma, Dr. Ekia Mwaku, Deputy Spokesperson for Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. No bed syndrome is a direct result of distraction of LHIMS. All right. Movo, Ajijumako de Mucho, Yaden, Matrova, Miagara Yama Jujuma, Chronica Unayo, Mo, Blamania Pipi, Chronicle, whenever Yajo, Maya Pipi. So the Chronicle ends its reports or stories with a scriptural verse. And it's a satire, it's always a satire. So a satirical scriptural verse from Luke 8 verse 7. Luke 8 verse 7. Luke Apagore Tani, Bibiandre, ye chronicle, Najobana, Kotanarov, Yokotarov, whatever. Onye Bauponya, Bibio Boko, Bonam, whatever block, Chana Buramba Gloroshi. For nothing is hidden that will not be disclosed, nor anything concealed that will not be known or brought into the open. That is the satire for today. Luke 8 verse 7. For nothing is hidden that will not be disclosed. Nana Gamala Vivimeke Mava Karimu. And anything concealed that will not be known or brought into that. Nana Gamale Goja. And look at the newspaper. Gold for reserves. Probe will be pursued. Gold for reserves. Probe will be pursued in the future. That is the big story. How do you know? The letters are old and it is centered. That's the big story of the Chronicle. Satirized with Luke 8:7. Tony McBoy, where Ewenyigba TV, where Tony McBoy, ma ahudo machuchu. The matrova, Yajo, Mamma politicians, so a politicians, so they no remember talking to me. Let me invent some no verse, you just be on your way, we'll do it. All right, I'll be back.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, baby, ma. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi quỷ. Ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tôi. Một vài nhà quăng sập lại cái là.
Oh.
Những mà vật phẩm. Những mà thằng mặt chung. Mà nó chỉ có. Oh,
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukone gbogbo ya wa. But hasbena di dile nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pati bani ko hi wonton nya nukura wa. Bola pati ko nya ko katara ge.
Bo. Mà nó chỉ có cái problem.
Vai batakalo sugo. Ita mi gada de secrement tonto. Bola pati ke wa busielo weto fira.
Ire vola to gbo. Ye mon no chika ko mo pon jeje
vola chika no plan na zama fiva na kama furaga nawo mashama na zin Miapa tudo wala tudo fita. Itanye za fola chika. Miatuma toro ha. Woza fola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Ona wala masa.
Fola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe a gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina nemi ayi, bona eba senta. Afima mi apoda yo la, nyadeba vola.
Efi valao, akulori le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domaru le fuda now. Echi de padaka, ofuto makata, mele domo nidewa. Eti makolo no ba, na ile vola heba senta. Ikele jengo aplau, Victoria Park. Afima na kodo wotu akame wa ofuto ofukame ofukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye vo
Ago. Oh, what is? Let go join.
oh bema ibara kwela mlomo kekeke tupoi tanya tuma traditoy mvonye womza pele kele
Oh.
nenga fam nema tatuma tumu mano chiko wo
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukwane gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena di dile no namfia. Koko ina duna fo gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko wi wontam nya no kuro mu a. Mola pasi ko nya hoko katara gbe.
bo mano chiko ku no e plolo
Vai bataka no sugo. Ita bi ga dade fikre tonto. Mola pati ke wa busielo weto fina.
Me yire vola to gbo. Ye me no chika ko me kpong jeje.
Vola chika no plum. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi. Miapa tudo wala tudo fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miatuma toro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Ona wala masa.
Fola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe a gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola.
Nina nemi ayi, bona eba senta. Afima mi apoda yo la, nyadeba vola.
Efi valao, akulori le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domaru le fuda now. Echi de padaka, ofuto makata, mele domo nidewa. Eti makolo no ba, na ile vola heba center. Ikele jengo aplau, Victoria Park. Afima na kodo wotu akame wa ofuto ofukame ofukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye vo
Fua me won la nek po ma bada ba tue menya Fua me na nek po ma bada ba toi Fua me won nek po ma bada ba tue menya la Fua me na nek po ma bada ba toi Punya mentoli khafi Melak befuk bermula Nama pola moji Nama madi cava wobo Umalona namo de Utakwenya ba Mavako gade le yegosi Utakwenya ba Mavako nundudu le yobola Fua me won nek po ma bada ba toi Ma va o susuba ma ji se mi jade no kukumula Na mauleko nya kama du no ma tu khofela Ma ma no amasi do panya we sao Fua me won nek po ma bada ba toi Fua me won la nek po ma bada ba tue menya Fua me na nek po ma bada ba toi Punya mentoli khafi Melak befuk bermulia Nama pola moji Nama madi cava wobo Umalona namo krola Utakwenya ba Mavako gade le yeosi Utakwenya ba Mavako nundudu le yobola Fua me na nek po ma bada ba toi Mavako susuba Ma jimze mi jade no kukumula Na maliko Ya kama du nu ma tu khofa Ma no amasi Do penya we sao Fua me won la nek po ma bada ba toi Ma va o susuba Ma ji se mi jade no kukumuse Na maliko Ya kama du nu ma tu khofa Ma no amasi Do penya we sao Fua me won la nek po ma bada ba toi Fua me na la nek po ma bada ba tue menya Fua me na nek po ma bada ba toi Fua me won nek po ma bada ba tue menya Sewa Fua me na nek po ma bada ba toi Fua me won la nek po ma bada ba tue menya la Fua me nek po ma bada ba toi Fua me na la nek po ma bada ba tue menya Abla Fua me nek po ma bada ba toi Fua me won la nek po ma bada ba tue menya Fua me na nek po ma bada ba toi Fua me won nek po ma bada ba tue menya la Fua me na Nekpo ma bada batoe Punya mentoli khavi Melak befuk bermula Nama kpola moji Nama madi cava obo Omalona namo de Otakwenya ba Ma va jogada le llego si Otakwenya ba Ma va con un dudu le llego bola Fuwa mewo Nekpo ma bada batoe Ma va o susuba Ma jise mi jade no kukumula Na mauleko Nyaka madunu ma tu khofela Ma no amasi Do banyawe sao Fuwa mewo Nekpo ma bada batoe Fuwa mewo la Nekpo ma bada batoe manya Fuwa mena
Yo, mi tak pernah mi apa yang boleh bila rekau mengkapli mi lepas yang kacip biji. Tony McBoy ini aku pembe. Apa nami? Tono nami mi ada tu. Mi aku pernah mi aci. Mi aku no tak ke mi aku pernah mi aci. Mi aku ber jual pemdu. Ke kamu sudah mi agak pu nyajo jor kau baru yo ke okakade mi aku funginya jojo kakakweo ona nami ngom sese jo mio kaiji le nyapa na jojo banga oji ke le mi wo ofwa ya jo nyama fadi o don kuji be adem nyapa jeru rama le +233 242 670 773 +233 242 670 773 your number keji na dem atu a check up plemi ke na emu surum kwa nyanya maslo de cha yo ya ide my john my john na ku ke fia ma joma ko kwa pata na ko la about clinic ba mi ko kane mi anchi la mo wo mi ya ba mi amo ga ro mi ko sana le tam na mi ba all right, so 3 dead, 20 hospitalized in Accra Newtown building collapse. Interior Minister. Domagaga Bona, Miapa Uvido, Miapa Juchido, Miapa Digibala, or Plenty Shafu, Wenyaji, upon Chu, Hoikum, Shukum, Ikanya, Patasama, Newtown, nchi ke bila ko ama tempo imile fi ama tempo ya jo bala ro be amofe ko ngi tami kera ya jo bala ama ro ya ba mo moto wa mo bugo uchi su ko ma tanya ka we kana ko nya ka we nyo oh le ko to tu ji o hole ba ka bo tu ji o ho Mwenye berebla maji wo horo otu eba kumolo skuvion horo fia. Kere jiru do pe ke chana kona be a hoyo zamola a hole mi a hole nsen a hole bablo mi ka skuvi wo bolo korne. There's a big story out here. A lot of people talking about this. 3 dead, 20 hospitalized in Accra Newtown building collapse. Interior Minister. So Interior Minister Mohammed Muntaka Mubarak has confirmed that 3 people have died following the collapse of 3-story building at Accra Newtown as rescue teams continue efforts in the scene. The incident occurred on Sunday at an uncompleted structure within the premises of the Accra Newtown Experimental Basic School, a site also used by Christian worshippers. Initial reports has confirmed 2 deaths, but the latest official update places the death toll at 3. Rescue operators intensified into the night with emergency teams working under floodlights to reach victims trapped beneath the rubble. The personnel from the Ghana Police Service, the Ghana National Fire Service, the National Disaster Management Organization, and the National Ambulance Service have all been deployed. At the scene, the minister stressed that authorities had taken extra steps to verify the casualty figures before releasing them. So far, information that had been cross-checked, double-checked, verified, and visited all the hospitals just to be sure that, okay, you have to tell us all these things. All right. Okay, so Yema, Jimemia Jonkom. Amanaku leke suku hokai nya suku hoya otu hoimia crack so molema over uncompleted permit la woshia. Are they credible people that are building this? People must be brought to justice, you know. That's it. People must be brought to justice. Now you better to borrow man, not only for pure, but for pure. Somebody must be responsible. How much you know? There has to be a crack. Anybody there has do we nyamo Biba, it's wrong, Mr. going verify. We are not interested in what to verify. Mijiwe miase nyagome. Jibu hoye, Pastor Pila causa. Achille pila lele gaja lele uchoya. Alo gaja uchoya. We are interested in these things. By this time, you call me especially Yafmao, Ulan Kura columns, Ulan Kura, and Kapo, Hotel Women, Upo, Mapa integrity, Apo, Simiti Su, Eka, a Bucky Su, the few of Austria, Kokomade, Lago to my. So, please, grammar, Jimiro, we want answers. Permit La Hoshia. Tick these boxes for us. Permit let the AMA, let all engineers over Afma Pumi Tumula, make it to her. Are they well trained? Number 3, Ghana Education Service story over Afma, Afuro Supade. Number 4, where they cracks. 5, ticket, school authorities, ticket for us. Check it out. School authorities. Were there no cracks? Structural integrity. Material design. We are interested in this matter. Me and people I told you. We don't want grammar. Alright. NACOP takes custody of 37 sacks of suspected cannabis seized by Ghana Navy. Interesting story there. The Narcotics Control Commission, NACOC, has taken custody of 37 sacks of substances suspected to be cannabis following a successful maritime operation by the Ghana Navy Special Boat Squadron. The interception took place on Friday, March 27 at Goy, near Ada in the Greater Accra region as part of ongoing efforts to curb drug trafficking along Ghana's coast. Preliminary checks by NACOC suggest that the sack contains about 70 parcels of suspected substance, including a large quantity of material likely meant for distribution. The team also recovered items believed to have been used in the operation, including outboard motor, 2 gallons of premise fuel, and 5 empty containers. The seized canoe and items have been handed over to NACOC for further investigation and possible prosecution. NACOC says it has begun investigations to identify and arrest those behind the smuggling attempt, as surveillance and enforcement activities in the area has stepped up. Da Nyajo Banner Basegi, I never go, Gakanya, Mokatan to the Kakwi. Birako. Ola Tonyuaro, go to Kutuaro, them. Yo, Kukutu Kwama power, we. Bavon, Bamachi, Gadama Chakasusuna, a photon Pugina, when you're here. Hey, Jilla going to me, you call up in a Nakok energy, but over the corner, Bavomachi or the Tapopona engineer. A Bembati, Giamile, Tony McBoy, Yellowana, Utade, Belamajona, and Anupomrafia. This is not a personal victory. A Blackwork Council's plans. A Blackwork Council's planned airport reception over historic UN resolution success. Okay, a Blackwork Obloma Gia Yodu, Le Yoda Yoyi, by Putane, Yova, as yes, as Ika Yoji Bahika Katano, that Ditumaba, Amayibo. Pela Pluvishi Chacha in your flow, don't get what I'm going to talk, Makatanja, Makatanja, and yet you name for Mokatan here, to Dioma, or for La Haraka Jimra, when I airport and Puna, you may your what you do, I call that I come in Ayoji. This is not a personal victory. A Blackwood Council's planned airport reception by historic UN, a Blackwood politician. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, has directed the immediate date cancellation planned welcome ceremony organized by staff of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs ahead of his return to Ghana. In a social media post on Monday, 30 March, the minister disclosed that he had become aware of arrangements for a surprise reception at the airport, which the ministry traditionally organizes as a gesture in order to celebrate major national achievements. While expressing appreciation of the initiative, Mr. Ablakwa stated that he had instructed management to halt the plans, insisting the moment did not call for personal celebration. I'll quote him, I would have strongly opposed the idea if I had been consulted. This is not a personal victory, and besides, there is more work ahead of it. Politician, blah, 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 blah. You get sense. You guys get some look about arrangement, Nova, all the Vira Pantilla, Black to America to come. Yafma, Babapone, Security Council, Vivia, Dashiji, Africa Catalogo, where Nyatomi we talk about women, where Ashichacham, slave trader, and don't get for Amigo, but you know what? This is not necessary. But you know what? Is this thing really been organized? This is press. This is press. What evidence is there that something like this has been organized? And if this is being organized, is it for the foreign minister? It's not supposed to be for the president. I'm just asking questions. You know, so all these political points on trying to, you know, so why would you organize a celebration party for Okudzeto Ablakwa? I don't get it. Why the foreign ministry organize? Why no? Can't you see the role of the president in this matter? Ablakwa even Ablakwa deliver speech. So why would you organize this for Ablakwa? And if it's being organized, is it being organized at all? So we hear you, but we know these games, you know. Like Ablakwa rightly said, there's work ahead of us. Go work. Name and sanction galamsey offenders. GCAG urges Mahama to act against DCs. Name and sanction galamsey offenders. GCAG urges Mahama to act against DCs. The Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey, GCAG, has called on President John Dramani Mahama to take decisive action against illegal mining, urging him to name and sanction district-level officials allegedly failing to curb the menace. In a statement issued on 28 March, the coalition warned that Ghana's fight against Galamsey is faltering despite what is described as an initially promising start by the government. It said assessments on the ground, coupled with public statements by officials, suggest that progress in tackling illegal mining has been limited. And the group expressed concern over the continued destruction of water bodies and forest reserves, noting that illegal miners remain active even in areas designated as protected red zones. Rivers such as the Ankobra, Birim, Pra, or Fane is said continue to suffer pollution, posing serious environmental and public health risks. GCAC also criticized what is described as weak enforcement of existing laws, highlighting the absence of sanctions against metropolitan district executives, despite early assurances that the fight against Galamsey will be a key performance benchmark for them. Birako, Duhabo Wake Pona, Galamsey in Chichila Ganabo, but to Coprola Chapabanto, you check to Coprogoma. Ora forget about your tofoku Galamsey. Oh, Madame Majona, not come la famille Sitima. Aike Nkakowai, where Kakla Jiboya by your papa, you Robert Ploto, or Galamsey, Totonchi. Aike Mukuma, a Chuga Goplam, a Chuga Bukum, a Mogajim, Bassa. GCAC, Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey. Galamsey Kuku, Gajim, Alabel. And, Pabiamba to Copra and Tafoponi. Mom, if you're DC, Mokata, Yoga Sound, and Tome, Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey, Bob Blom, but to Copra and Afo, to Copra and Debbe, to Copra no Jeffer. Let's work at second to our no Galamsey, Fitoshika, Shika, Manu, Samu, Gajim, and Abon Toba, this Euro, Bushnabi, Rogano Gahonota. Because I mean, I fear Miss Assembly at a ground tax from the Galamsey Tally. Oh, Conastica, oh, wait, oh, Conastica, Cotarasha, Family, Ober, Gilu, or Nana, Dampa, Bomolo, Gilu, about the Sonage, or Moda for a go to Afoko, Wanama. And a lot of things are hiding. Bad things happening, man. Bad things happening. A lot of wrong is going to be at the same. And we are on the Ewenyigba TV. Tony McBoy is the one who is your host. And I'll take some 2 more stories from my joy line and we shift to City. 2 more stories from Joy. 2 more stories from Joy. End of raw gold export. Sami Jemfi announces major shift to refining. Oh, Sami Jemfi Gabaka. Du Domaga Kakbona Yabashika Shichachanya, Gold Board Domaga Sami Jemfi, National Communications Officer and NDC. Sami Jemfi, CEO of the Ghana Gold Board, has announced a decisive policy shift to end gold export of raw gold, marking what he describes as a turning point in Ghana's mineral value chain. Beautiful. Meet beautiful. Sami Jemfi Lefia. Sami Jemfi Be Aku. Toma Bahoshi Ganeshika. Ashi Matroma Trome Kokobude Betatu Komana. He has stopped. Sami Jemfi Nyana Boyasanam. Instead, but Nyamashika Toshilenchi or Dojo, Alaba Ashinavani, Nyamatra Bobo, Punama, Makokona Yogu, go Troshite, a Robazo watch, a Robazo engine of plane, a Rokodana, a mom, a Kovana Mema Konji, Shikaya Polo, Yavuma Shikakoga Dabo, I know stars for in the use sense. In the use sense. Yokoko Shikayo, Rokote Machina Roman, or Rodemapa Hatum, or the retard to enemy, a Rokote in Chimpaparo. Amebo go kona shika no mako abale ke untumi ha okofia me TV je ne ko shika ko abagbe na jo adra shibre. Some people that has stopped refining continues in Ghana. Brain work. Some you are using your brain. Speaking on PM Express Business Edition with George Weafi, he said Ghana has historically failed to maximize value for its gold despite being a major producer. And I'm quoting him. Ghana, since we started mining gold, even when we were the gold coast in 2024, we have always exported gold in raw form. Really? We've had a few refineries in the country, but the refineries have not gotten the needed support from the government to be able to refine a significant portion of the gold that we produce before export, he said. He noted that the absence of strong local refining has long undermined value addition. No value addition has been a challenge for many years. But when President Mahama was appointing me, it was one of the marching orders he gave as part of his research agenda for the sector. He wanted to see an end and a move away from a door, what we call raw gold, to bullion or refined gold, so we can optimize benefits from the entire value chain. That is why, as Gobo has taken up that task, the president gave us very seriously, and so we are changing that narrative as we speak. We have commenced local value conditions, value, and all right. That's a medium fee. Ungo fine pa. Ungo fine. Me that banu. Kami gomi masa semuanya nya dona lebe refinery so shika no kushikari refine o trona shilam alwade alwa koloi shika kofa do no Ghana boba igaka ye kotana wala be chiru mede gbana gongongo ye masanya magomo Dangote refinery at Chiru Dangote refinery in Nigeria. That's private business. You guys have to do private business. Empower private business with them. But Gamma Ghana Toshi, Branacha Pohon, Kennedy, Japan, Ibrahim, Yonto, Ibrahim, Mahama, how at the Bobloma Dangala Mioshi. Yonto mi apa togi ga go me fian ton ni banon dia tapi apa the bomba panisio kata mata fufuko have solid public private partnership adequate. So everything government you are talking about the government and you must go government deal everything government and you know New York they are always not efficient. Nejidulu nya dashina na mako rogo ina ko eko mwa chakana ala bega mesha nya be jidu toy nyonto mia toy abai beba jiru nya jimia. So no, when you guys were speaking and you were campaigning, the promises you made to us were like there were public private partners. We want to see that don't book for money open public golden age of business. Golden age of business. You have global reset. Yes, reset. Now reset for the thing must work. So, me the cuckoo. We don't want rhetoric. We don't want grammar. Okay? What is worth doing is worth doing well. We beg you. Me can be welcome you on one touch. We want to see refineries, partners only in Africa. Dangote Plateau, very powerful refineries. And Abaleke Kwewu, residents of Kwewu, Togo, billionaires should come from Ghana. We want you to empower people. mi jujo gama mano chachano gama mi kudofenia o mi so dova do no vamia o onye rokushi do onye rokushi ma wo ntepo mi ai go vane galafi we have donated 10,000 ala banya ba fuma ye I'm shama ye woman I'm shama ya so we are going to say in these kind of things government has done government what is government about refinery Go across the world and see big things that are being done by private individuals. Go to those caliphates, Dubai, Mtomo, Manabo, what individuals are doing. Okay. So we respect what you're saying, but we want more. We want more. We want more. All right. I think my John and Amiata Ayide Tebubare. Okay, Mama returns from UNGA to one reception in Accra. Mahama returns from UNGA to one reception in Accra. Okay, interesting twist. To Corporal John Dramani Mahama Glod to UN General Assembly. So that is that. That's the last story we have on my journal. For now, we will move to City. Mahama returns from UNGA. President John Dramani Mahama on Sunday returned home from the United Nations General Assembly in New York to a warm reception after Ghana secured the adoption of its slavery resolution. The president was received at the Kotoka International Airport by Vice President Professor Jane Nana Akufo-Addo and a cross-section of Ghanaians. The United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, by vote of 123 countries, adopted Ghana's resolution to recognize the transatlantic slave trade as the gravest crime against humanity. 3 countries, the United States, Israel, Argentina, voted against the resolution, while 52 abstained, including European Union member countries. 3 countries, the United States, Israel, Argentina, voted against the resolution. 3 countries, United States, Israel, and Argentina, voted against the resolution, while 52 abstained, including European Union member states and Britain. Interesting. And the resolution, tabled by President Bahama, in his capacity as African Union champion for reparations, is expected to advance global dialogue on justice, healing and reparative measures. The transatlantic slave trade, which spanned 15th to 19th century. So take note, 15th to 19th century, that's 400 years. 15 minus 19 is 4. And we are talking about centuries. So 400 years. Forcibly remove an estimated 12 to 15 million Ghanaians from the continent under brutal conditions. Historical records. Blah, 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 blah. All right, to Corporal John Dramani Mahama, Bojo, America to come. Ayoba, Botani, to Corporal Professor Nana Jino Pogba, Jimaklunchimo, on airport to the Grenchi over Yeso. Aqua Coba Danye, Mika, Yama to Corporal to make in Africa to cut a Bukatako Ruba, Nutakona, you are to Kokata, you want to go to Hoshio, Natro, Corenia, Bola, Uvalo Yato Tobio, Coswa, Ruba, Wabaya, Ubafu, to your fool, to go for back Bargarao, to Madame Blum, no say, Occasion, Patato Gohel, to Gomato, America, Israel, Argentina, or Dakover, you must I'm a Chacha, Tunga, Higata, Gomatic Africa, Kata, with you back then. Hey, brother, European Union to Kokata, European Union to Kokata, Europe to Kokata, but Bumakoya, or Bumakota. Interesting. Bumakota. 52 abstained. 52 abstained, including European Union member states and Britain. Myonto myakwa former colonial masters. I'm a yoga to Britannia to come about Yangela Fia, Munaklemia on Bogo acquire that one. We have to have a conversation on this one. In fact, Sukuba Baro, you don't know, Yabon Toma, we should be in a whole interfaculty lecture on this. We need professors, historians, political figures, thinkers. We need a discussion on the Sohona Pufu on a well televised public lecture and debates on this matter. These are things we want to explore these things. Just some way you get your government. Only that blogger of Alphanos and so on, slave trader. And on and on and on, and the brutal conditions of the Miato, other Togeno, other Gashimo, other Kosovo, Plato, they either journal slave market lefma, allo, yeah, slave museum, at Hungary, Tologavo. They Usher Fort, they James Fort, and Yogata Pogan. Even they presenting bottom lafman, they the Almina, they keep us bottom lafman. And but what happened to the black man? What happened to the black man? Anyway, historical records indicate that up to 2 million perished during Middle Passage alone, with countless others dying in raids, forced marches, and captivity. Key coastal enclaves in present-day Ghana, including Elmina and Cape Coast, became major transit points, leaving enduring demographic, social, and economic distortions across Africa and in its diaspora. This is a victory not only for Ghana, but for a broad coalition of Africans, people of African descent, CARICOM, and all people of good conscience around the world. He noted that although the issue of slave trade has been acknowledged in parts of over the years, efforts have remained fragmented. The significance of what we have done, according to the president, is to bring it together and place it on the highest global platform and put on record that this was a grievous crime against humanity. All right, beautiful stories there on my drawing. Mamu get Peter bless city, near the city, cha 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 cha, Yaponkawe, le Afman, dear city newsroom quickly. Mkola agbato la majijimo amuge agashege ke mata kone mikatamba milere kao makapli. Nyamba kumote krechi ajonari. Jojo ya bae chiko ya jambu. Baruba ke ndia wada manyuna maru tam integration. 3 dead, 20 rescued after building collapse in Accra, Newtown. Okay, so we have that big story over there. Ablakwa Council's Foreign Affairs. Ablakwa Council's Foreign Affairs Welcome Plan is also there. Quick one. This site is intrusive, so many adverts. City bar. All right, Ablakwa Council's Foreign Affairs Ministry surprise welcome for after UN reparations victory. Ban on tomato exports, traders demand urgent government action. From village to value chain, why back to your village food festival matters for Ghana's economy. Mama to engage CSOs on accountability and anti-corruption. Galamsey fight failing despite early promise. GCAG warns. Police probe 400K more withdrawal linked to gold robbery. All right, so Angelo Lefia, what does soccer player Emion? When you ban on tomato exports. So I picked that one, ban on tomato exports. Then I do something about CSOs and accountability, and I'm sure we'll be done. All right. Government is facing mounting pressure to fast-track efforts to enhance tomato self-sufficiency as traders at Aboboshi market contend with rising costs that are steadily eroding consumer purchasing power. The situation has been exacerbated by Burkina Faso's tomato export ban, which has triggered supply shortages and sharp price increases across major markets in Ghana. Takbira ku tomato pashichi we American tomato shichala la kukushi odo weji bioko na shirara but okina fasu du kolo shi tomato odo Ghana du kome. Ubo magashi daga betato tomato ka chibo balo yo tomato ko yo de ata ashi jeji wewe. Kemia bialo tu dopo che con la Greek poi non io mucho per tomato il passi mai le case che mi ha dato a mio che la sciama dosso che mi ha dato a me che le kids we don't understand. Traders say the surge in tomato prices is already affecting sales, with many households cutting back on consumption or turning to alternative ingredients. Some citizens, so I'm over tomatoes because some retailers report that the cost of a crate of tomatoes has more than doubled in recent weeks, making it increasingly difficult to maintain stable prices for customers. Patience Nyaku, a tomato trader, expressed concern over the unexpected spike in prices. I'll quote her. At a time like this, tomato prices should not be rising so sharply. Ideally, prices should range between 18 to 22 cedis, but tomatoes are now being sold for as much as 32 to 38 and even 40, she said. Tomatoes in Chala, which is not bong, tomato was 18 cedi na 22 cedi. Manyama ni jamu la lo beti bio manyao akaba 18 to 22 kaka ni ko je boja 18 to 22 or waja 32 to 38 or even 40. And you minister, you telling us what? You have to come back. She attributed the research largely to the export ban, noting that Burkina Faso typically supplies Ghana with tomatoes for up to 6 years. Yenya bianyi baka tututu la Burkina Faso to oshi. Ikamala na frongo. Na frongo, mino sasame na frongo tomato. Na frongo mangana ona. Na frongo tomato. Nkemi wocho na frongo ji. One bile, one down, one dizzy, Nkemi wo. Nkemi wo. Anyway, I think we take our last story. Mahama engaged CSOs on accountability, anti-corruption. So let's look at the President John Dramani Mahama will hold a high-level engagement with civil society organizations at the Jubilee House on Monday today as part of efforts to strengthen governance and institutional reforms. The meeting convened by President will focus on accountability and anti-corruption. On CSO, civil service organizations are meeting the president today at the presidency and to solve your matters. All right, so with that, messages so I'm a whole do good morning to you, Pat good morning to you, like Ada Blue. Good morning to you as well. Le miato ke miankosem cho okay fodo me ya America miankosem to fodo me apanyo miankosem cho wafia. Good morning to you as well, and thank all of you for joining me in the transmission ma da kwa miano yo kata yo kwa nchi ila ba TV moji siana togo wana toke adeke iji cho le memrabe le miapo ba TV Siena 2026 who whenever we go to Ewenyigba TV, the place is doing good. It's a lot of buzz. Yeah, Ewenyigba TV now Ewenyigba TV, the Facebook is beautiful. Other na Ewenyigba TV, the YouTube, the YouTube. Good morning to you, Pat. Good morning to you. I appreciate you as well. Richard, Honorable Richard. Good morning to you. Good morning to you, Honorable Bruno. You're also listening to us. Beautiful people joining us from all the places. I won't play when TV, TikTok, Yafma, and Kuchuji, Mafma, Yukatanya, Napomo now, when TV, they are not bow, Alawe, Chiacho, Alawe, Yo, Kashekefu. Agbajora wajima tompo kebla ton wato kusaro benya na mawe amaga kanye menya bona mecho to ha anu pedi anu to chui nga kama na yuna mi bye bye.
Hier qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is embalejado. Aja gbagba asikaligbe do afikolea ne mia tempolo mi jagole chio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti mi regiodo ne mi attende cucunolo figliolo ma